Ever wondered how to take care of your hair after washing it? Taking care of your hair not just ends with a shampoo. It's more than that. In this video, I'm going to reveal my secrets for my healthy hair growth. Firstly, I take this wide tooth wooden comb to comb my hair. Just like brushing your teeth daily, it is important to comb your hair every day. Believe it or not, this simple activity can do wonders for your hair. It promotes blood circulation in the scalp, which helps in transporting oxygen and nutrition to the hair follicle. Use a wooden comb instead of plastic ones because plastic causes friction which leads to hair fall. I am using Neem wood comb by Wilba. For scalp, I use the Biotic Biomountain Ebony for falling hair. I have transferred the serum to a dropper bottle for convenience. A few drops of this Ayurvedic elixir is all you need. It stimulates the root for hair growth and leaves the scalp feeling toned. For hair strands, I use the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Smoothing and Repair Serum. Do not apply this serum on your roots. Apply this only on your hair strands. It is a non-sticky serum, makes the hair moisturized and smooth. For my ends, I use the organic blend split end serum. It helps my ends from detangling and for intensive moisture for my dry ends. After this, I put a bun. I do this routine every single day. I hope this video is helpful for you guys to maintain your hair and to grow healthy hair and to stop hair fall. If you want to see my pre-shampoo routine, what I do before shampooing my hair, I will leave the link in the description box. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye-bye. Take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.